My life in the future. Student 1 review. What will you do after you graduate? I would like create a company of software in the Colombian coast. What are you going to do in Carnavales? I'm going to the battle of flowers and the raiding of the band. Where will you go on your next vacation? I think I will go with my family to Eje Cafetero. How are you going to celebrate the next birthday of your girlfriend? I'm going to hear mariachis to sing for her. We go to a restaurant with my family and brothers with her. When will you graduate? I think I will graduate from university in 2.5 years. Are you going to the dentist in the following 2 months? Why? Yes, I am going to the dentist this month to oral hygiene. Thank you to everybody.